Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss about a classification of environmental impact reduction efforts. So what are all the efforts that can be taken to reduce the impact on the environment. So the environmental sustainability is a critical challenge so that the organizations can take several steps to reduce their environmental footprints. Introduction. The importance of environmental sustainability. Let's see why the environmental sustainability is very important. Climate change, global warming and its effects are a major concern driving the need for sustainable practices. So the major reason is of climate change. Resource depletion. The overconsumption of a natural resources is unsustainable, prompting organizations to reduce their dependence on these resources. Pollution, air, water and soil pollution. So these pollutions can also cause the environmental sustainability, which threats to human being and as well as ecosystems. The organizations should look after this to prevent all these pollutions. Categorizing environmental impact reduction efforts. Operational efficiency initiatives. Improving the operational processes to reduce the resource consumptions and the waste generation. Product and service redesign strategies. Developing eco-friendly product and services that minimize the environmental impact throughout their life cycle. Supply chain optimization approaches. So optimizing the supply chain to reduce the transportation distances and the minimize environmental footprint. Waste reduction and recycling programs. So implementing programs to minimize the waste generation and which also promotes the recycling and the reuse of the materials. Operational efficiency initiatives, energy efficiency, optimizing lighting, HVAC systems and equipment to reduce energy consumption. So we have to reduce the use of the energy in an efficient way. Water conservation, implementing water saving measures such as low flow fixtures and rainwater harvesting. So we should also use the water in a limited way, and we can also implement this rainwater harvesting to save the water. Waste minimization, reducing waste generation through efficient waste management strategies. So these are the methods where we can where we can take initiatives to prevent the environment from destroying. Product and service redesign strategies. Eco-friendly materials, using a sustainable and a recycled materials in a product design and manufacturing. In a manufacturing companies and all, we have to use recycled materials so that it maintains a eco-friendly materials as well. Sustainable packaging, minimizing the packaging materials and opting for biodegradable and reusable options. So we have to reduce the packaging materials. And product durability, designing a product with a longer lifespan to reduce the waste and resource consumptions. Supply chain optimization approach. So what is the approach of the supply chain towards the environment? Local sourcing, prioritizing the suppliers within the same region to reduce the transportation emissions. Optimized logistics, using efficient routing and the transportation methods to minimize fuel consumption. And collaboration with suppliers, working with the suppliers to implement sustainable practices throughout the supply chain. So these are the three approaches of the supply chain optimizations. Waste reduction and recycling program. So how the waste can be reduced and what are all the programs has been implemented. Reduce, minimize the waste generation through efficient process. We have to minimize the generation of the waste through efficient processes. Reuse, repurpose waste materials for other applications. We can reuse the materials, like we can reuse the waste materials for other purposes as well. Recycle, process the waste materials to create new product and conserve resources. Renewable energy and a clean technology adoption. So what are all the renewable energy that we can adopt in our daily life so that the environment will be in a safer side? Solar energy. Harnessing solar power through the photovoltaic panels to generate electricity. So this is form of the renewable energy where the environment will not get any harm from this energy. So we can install our solar photovoltaic panels in our houses. So we can generate electricity through this uh, wind energy, utilizing the wind turbines to convert wind power into electricity. So we install the wind powers, large wind towers, so that by utilizing the wind, the turbine gets rotated. So from that we can generate electricity. So this is also a renewable energy where it doesn't harm any environment. So hydropower, generating electricity from the flow of the water in rivers and the streams. So hydropower is one of the renewable energy form where we can generate electricity by a water, by a fast flowing water. So these are all the renewable energy that we can adopt in our daily lives. Employee engagement and behavior change tactics. Education and training, providing employees with the knowledge about environmental sustainability and best practices. Incentivization programs, offering rewards and recognition for sustainable behaviors and contributions. Leadership support, demonstrating the commitment of the environmental support leadership actions and communication. Assessing and measuring environmental impact assessment, identifying and evaluating the potential environmental impacts of the operations and the activities. Performance monitoring, tracking the progress towards a sustainability goals through a regular data collection and analysis. Reporting and disclosure, communicating the environmental performance and sustainability initiatives to a stakeholder. So this was all about the environment sustainability, how different energies harms the environment, and what are all the things that we can adopt in our daily lives. So thank you for watching my video.